Next method I'm going to show is super slow motion. It's done exactly how it sounds. I'm going as slow as I can in the positive and as slow as I can in the negative. I'll use this machine to demonstrate a super slow motion technique. So I'm going to really focus on, and I'm going to go as slow as I can. Now the key on this is the transitions, meaning from the negative to the positive and vice versa. I want to have that smooth transition. I don't want to bounce or let it drop. So I'll see if I can demonstrate. So I'm going to go up, 1, 2, 3, 4, smooth transition, 1, 2, 3, 4, smooth transition here, 1, 2, 3, 4, and a smooth transition on the negative portion. Okay. Now you'll notice while you do this, you're going to have to use lighter weight because it's a lot harder because you're not using any momentum, any inertia, you're not using acceleration, you're eliminating all that. So what it comes down to is the muscle is working more so because you're not involving any physics in with it. Okay, so 4 seconds up, 4 seconds down, smooth transition, it could be up to anything. You're going to have to set your goals a little bit lower. So if you're thinking of getting 20 reps of this, you're probably going to have to really cut that in half and try to get less reps because it's a lot more intense than just a point A to point B type repetition.